Welcome to Beatrice and the Beat Movement Rhythmic Patterns. Let's meet our movement rhythms. Walk, running, and shh. Walk is one word, one syllable, and one sound. Notice Beatrice's feet are close together. Running is one word, two syllables, and two sounds. And notice Beatrice's feet are apart. Shh is one word, one syllable, and one sound. Students can be silent for one syllable. Here we go. Listen and repeat. Walk, 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 walk. Walk, walk, shh, walk. Walk, shh, walk, walk. Walk, 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 shh. Walk, walk, running walk. Walk, shh, running walk. Running, running, walk, walk. Running, walk, running, walk. Running, walk, walk, walk. Running, shh, running, shh. Walk, shh, running, running. Running, 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 running. Yay, you did it. Good job. Have you subscribed to our socials? If not, follow us at Beatrice and the Beat on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, and TikTok. Happy learning!